Hello there. Today I wanted to talk more about one of my cabinets, one of the cabinets I have on my collection. As you can see, this cabinet is a Dynamo HS-5 cabinet with a control panel for 2 players. So this kind of cabinet, I believe it was made in US, and it was used for mainly fighting games. I saw it on different places for Street Fighter 2, and the one I was able to get for one of the members of the Ontario arcade group is this one that is a dedicated Third Strike, Street Fighter 3. And I just wanted to show how these cabinets look like. So basically what you can see is an entire piece of wood with the buttons and the joystick here. So this is the control panel, and you can see all the buttons here, joysticks, and those are all connected through the main harness. So the main harness is connected right here. It's connected here. All these buttons are connected through the JAMA. So this one is actually an original CPS3 board with the Street Fighter 3 Third Strike, and you can see here this is the volume knob just to turn on the volume up and down. This is the cartridge, and you can see these cartridges, they had an internal battery. So what happened before is at the time Capcom created these cartridges, so when there was enough place, the battery will just die out and they will have to buy a new cartridge. So that's how it worked on I think it was in 2000 when this one was released. And here you can see, sorry for the camera angle, that's the test button right there. So just going to show you how it works. On this particular one is very specific. So there is a converter board that connects this JAMA to the 27-inch here. This is the 27-inch screen. Normally it will come with a 25-inch, but the original owner had a different idea and connected a 27-inch screen. So that is the reason why on the back here you can see the back is open, because it needs to accommodate the big CRT screen on the back right there. So I'm just going to quickly turn it on. So here is the button to turn on. On these cabinets, the marquee lights up, and then the game will start. So you can see this is the game. It's the original arcade. I can just put it on just to show you. I don't have it. I'm not in a position to actually put the. You can see the monitor is crisp. I was able to get this CRT monitor fixed by Mario at Game Doctor, so it's really nice. You can see, we're just going to select the character here. You can see everything. Everything looks really good. Then just select the character. And this is my favorite fighting game, so I really love the music. And there you go, I just leave it there. Thanks for watching.